See this problem. The curl of a vector field f is equal to 2x. Identify the appropriated vector field f from the choice given below. Here the given is curl of equal to 2x. Then what is the value of f? This is a question. Now among the four options we have to select one option. So select this option B. Curl f equal to x, y, z. Then dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. If you select option C, here the x component is 0, 0. Then the y component is 3x, z component is 5y. Here we have taken f is equal to 3xy plus 5y z. We have to verify whether it is correct or not. Then which is equal to x into dou by dou y of 5y minus dou by dou z of 3x minus y into dou by dou x of 5y minus dou by dou z of 0 plus z into dou by dou x of 3x minus dou by dou y of 0. Say this is equal to x into dou by dou y of 5y is 5, and this is 0. These are all 0 plus z into 3 is equal to 5x plus 3z. This is value of curl f. If you select f is equal to 3xy plus 5yz, the curl f equal to 5x plus 3z. But we need the answer 2x. Therefore, this option is not correct. Next, take this option D. F is equal to, consider f is equal to 3zy plus 5yz plus 5yz. Now curl f equal to x, y, z, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. X quantity, coefficient of x is 0 and coefficient of y is 3z, coefficient of z is 5y. Now I have to find out this. This is equal to x into dou by dou y of 5y minus dou by dou z of 3z minus y into dou by dou x of 5y minus dou by dou z of 0 plus z into dou by dou x of 3z minus dou by dou y of 0 is equal to x into dou by dou y of 5y is 5. Dou by dou z of 3z is 3. Here dou by dou x of 5y is 0. Dou by dou z of 0, 0. Dou by dou x of 3z 0. Dou by dou y of z is 0. All are 0. So this is equal to 2x. Therefore, the value of f is 3zy plus 5yz. The correct answer is option B. This is the correct answer. 3zy plus 5yz. Now see this problem. The value of del cross grid pi. They are given for options 0, 1, C, pi or grade pi. Del cross del pi equal to I J K dou by dou x dou by dou y dou by dou z. Then the grade pi is the value of grade pi is I into dou pi by dou x plus j into dou pi by dou y plus k into dou pi by dou z. So this is dou pi by dou x, here dou pi by dou y, here dou pi by dou z is equal to I into dou by dou y of dou pi by dou z minus dou by dou z of dou pi by dou y minus j into dou by dou x of dou pi by dou z minus dou by dou z of dou pi by dou x minus j into dou by dou x of dou pi by dou z minus dou by dou z of dou pi by dou x plus k into dou by dou x of dou pi by dou y minus dou by dou y of dou pi by dou x. See, dou by dou y of dou pi by dou z. This is dou square pi divided by dou y dou z minus dou square pi divided by dou z dou y. I into plus j into dou square pi divided by dou z dou x minus dou square pi divided by dou x dou z plus k into dou square pi divided by dou x dou y minus dou square pi divided by dou y dou x. So that this is equal to 0. So option A is correct. See this problem. A vector field is given by vector A equal to x square plus xy square I plus y square plus x square y into j. Show that the field is irrotational and find the scalar potential. A is given to you. A equal to I into x square plus x y square plus j into y square plus x square y. If A is irrotational, the value of curl A is 0. Now we have to prove this. Del cross A is equal to I j k dou by dou x dou by dou y dou by dou z, then x square plus y square plus x square y 0, which is equal to I into dou by dou y of 0 minus dou by dou z of y square plus x square y minus j into dou by dou x of 0 minus dou by dou z of x square plus x y square plus k into dou by dou x of y square plus x square y minus dou by dou y of x square plus xy square. Say this is equal to I into dou by dou z. This term is also 0, entirely 0, minus j into 0 is also 0, plus k into, see here, dou by dou x of x square y is 2xy here, minus dou by dou y of xy square is 2xy. So that entire is 0. Now we have proved that del cross A equal to 0. Then we may say A is irrotational. If A is irrotational, find scalar potential. A equal to grade pi, which is equal to I into dou pi by dou x plus j into dou pi by dou y plus k into dou pi by dou z. Now we can write I into dou pi by dou x plus j into dou pi by dou y plus k into dou pi by dou z, which is equal to the value of A is I into x square plus xy square, x square plus xy square plus j into y square plus x square y square plus x square y. Then we may write dou pi by dou x equal to x square plus x y square, dou pi by dou y equal to the coefficient of j, y square plus x square y, then dou pi by dou z equal to 0. Now if you integrate this, pi 1, just if you integrate this equation with respect to x, we can get pi equal to x cube by 3 plus x square by 2 into y square plus pi 1 of y comma z. Then if you integrate this, say the pi value, pi equal to y cube by 3 plus x square y square by 2 plus pi 2 of x comma z. If you integrate this, we can get pi 3 of x comma y comma z. This is the value we can get mere integrating this. Here pi equal to, may write this pi equal to, here if we integrate this third function, we can get pi equal to pi 3 of x y z. So in this way we may write the value of pi 3, not z, because we have integrated with respect to z, pi 3 of x comma y. See here, we are integrating this with respect to x, so that x cube by 3 plus x square by 2 y square plus pi of y comma z. We are integrating this with respect to y, so y cube by 3 plus x square y square by 2 plus pi 2 of x comma z. We are integrating this equation with respect to z, so that pi equal to constant value is pi 3 of x comma y. Now we may write pi 1 of y comma z, pi 1 of y comma z equal to terms in pi independent of x. See, the value is here independent of x. No one term is present independent of x. Here y cube by 3 is independent of x. Then this is our x term. Now pi 2 of x comma z equal to terms in pi independent of y. See this, x cube by 3 that is a term. Now we will go to pi 3 of x comma y. This is terms in pi independent of z, which is equal to, say, x cube by 3 plus x square y square by 2, then this y cube by 3. So these are all the terms independent of Z. Therefore, the potential pi, which is equal to x cube by 3 plus y cube by 3 plus x square y square divided by 2. This is the value of potential. The value of del dot A cross R is, they have given 4 options. Here A is a constant vector, Ax into I plus Ay into J plus Az into K. First we have to find out A cross R is I, J, K, Ax, Ay, Az, X, Y, Z. Position vector R equal to I into X plus J into Y plus Z into K. This is equal to I into Ay Z minus Az Y minus J into Ax Z minus Az into X plus K into Ax Y minus Ay into X, which is equal to I into Ay Z minus Az Y plus J into Azx minus Ax Z plus K into Axy minus Ay into X. Now we have to find out A cross del dot A cross R. Del dot A cross R is equal to I into dou by dou X plus J into dou by dou Y plus K into dou by dou Z dot of I into Ayz minus Az into Y plus J into Azx minus Axz. Here you have to annul bracket plus K into Axy minus Ay into X. Now close this bracket. Write down these terms separately. Plus K into Axy minus Ayx, which is equal to dou by dou X of Ay Z minus Az Y plus dou by dou Y of Azx minus Ax Z plus dou by dou Z of Axy minus Ayx, which is equal to 0. Therefore, the option B is correct.